Welcome to this module, a part of the Cisco Collaboration Software as a Service Authorization for Cisco partners. In this section of the module, you will learn the features and benefits of using Webex Teams, the value of persistent team spaces, additional features included in the service, and how Webex Teams is managed and kept secure. Plus, we provide additional resources for learning more. Let's get started. Incorporating the many features of Webex meetings, Cisco Webex Teams is optimized for teamwork. Next, let's watch this video to see Webex Teams in action.
It's a big world out there with lots of competition,
making it more important than ever for us to work together so we can achieve great things. Cisco Webex Teams connects us in secure workspaces with tools that empower everyone to contribute.
I can set a team in motion on the go.
And anyone can move work forward because progress can't wait, especially when we need more than group chat. When someone wants to talk face-to-face, they do. Scheduled meetings start when the first team member joins.
Okay, Webex, start my meeting.
Everyone has the tools to make meetings fast and effective.
I'll record. I'll mute that.
So your team can focus, create together, and improve. In the space where you're already working, and later, anytime.
And you can work securely because everything's encrypted from your device to theirs and at every point between, no matter where you are. Because things like creating, improving, and solving never stop. See what I mean?
When everyone on the team is empowered to contribute anytime, anywhere, work moves forward. That's Webex Teams. Are you in?
The modern workplace is being driven by a greater need for innovation and speed to market, to win a deal, to profit, to satisfy customers, to beat competitors. Every business is a digital business, and the digital business is constantly changing. It's all about speed, scale, responsiveness, and agility. People need to be able to work together regardless of where they are, together or apart, inside or outside the organization. Agility plays a central role in the organization of the future as companies race to replace structural hierarchies with networks of teams empowered to take action. Research shows that organizations can become agile if you replace the hierarchical ways of working and create what Deloitte calls networks of teams. Instead of top-down structure, organizations consist of many small, interconnected teams. These teams are empowered to take action and be accountable. What often occurs is that individuals contribute across a number of initiatives, work streams, or projects. They make individual contributions. They do a task for a team and quickly move on to the next one. They may be asked to attend a meeting, answer a question, provide some insight or data, or add to a document. This can result in disconnected employees. Individuals act as isolated workers, not truly connected to the business or a particular project, constricting the value of what they contribute. And inefficient processes. Workers work at a staccato fashion across a number of different business processes. They answer the call as conditions change. This leads to working within siloed technology with multiple tools or activities. This has been the biggest driving force behind the adoption of multiple new cloud-based messaging and storage services. But they are mostly add-on services, not connected to each other, and difficult to incorporate into the workflow effectively. They are often not secure or aligned to existing business policies. Nothing seems connected, The workday is hard work. Making each individual a connected member of a team is critical to the team's success. The transition to the increasing value of team dynamics is breaking existing tool paradigms. Only Cisco is solving this transition for your customers in a way that extends and improves existing investments. We are giving users the choice to use the tools that meet their unique challenges and work styles. We are unlocking a new kind of meeting experience where anyone on the team can schedule, start, record, and mute. The kinds of activities normally reserved to the host are now available to all team members. Plus, unlike a particular meeting, a team space persists as long as it is needed. Days, weeks, even months, as long as the team continues to need the shared space. This provides a place for shared files and the message history, forming a record of the work done and a resource for ongoing reference. People are most productive when they work together in teams. They feel involved, valued, and connected. A great team is greater than the individuals within it, and Cisco is leading the industry in providing the right platform for teams to succeed. Your customers are in different phases of their collaboration journey, both in terms of how they collaborate and how they have deployed their technology. We are helping customers gain access to more capabilities such as messaging, whiteboards, file sharing, and calling, all from the same application. Plus, we support third-party integrations with popular tools. Your customers can keep using their video devices while adopting the new Teams functionality, thereby maintaining continuity and protecting their investments. Working in a persistent context leads to tremendous productivity gains in today's workplace. What we mean by that is having all your team's work available in a shared space, having a record of what has been done and said to date, and having the ability to work with the team members before, during, and after the meeting. Before the meeting work starts, Webex Teams provides the space for the team to discuss plans, share content, and start working on deliverables. When the meeting starts, the discussion and working documents are available right here in the shared team space. You can share content from any device in the meeting directly from the space. An added benefit of joining a meeting through Webex Teams is that during the meeting, everyone is an equal participant and can manage the meeting. For example, muting participants or recording without having to disrupt the flow of the meeting, thereby keeping productivity on a roll. After the meeting, the team is still connected via the space and can stay productive, sharing documents, messages, and status. This record stays active leading up to the next meeting. Let's continue now with a tour of some of the key features in Webex Teams. First and foremost, Webex Teams gives you a workspace, wherever you are and on any device. It brings together in one place people, teams, meetings, calendar, messages, content, and access to multiple tools within the app itself or connected through bots, APIs, or integrations. Use this space to connect with people, exchange one-to-one and team messages, and start meetings. You can also host and join scheduled Webex meetings and personal room meetings right from the Webex Teams application. Just like in Webex meetings, the green Join button is in your team space. Everyone can join instantly with one simple click, removing those excuses for being late. See any other team spaces you are a part of. See participant status. Every invitee will see who has accepted or declined the meeting and who's in the meeting live before joining. Instantly switch between meetings. Leave the meeting with one click and join the other one with another click. Detect and connect to any device. Use and control any device. We have also optimized Webex for mobile devices, ensuring that everyone can enjoy equal participation wherever they are. The mobile worker is no longer a second-class citizen. Reimagined mobile meetings include optimized view for smaller screen size, easy screen share from mobile devices, same access to tools like whiteboarding, leading to greater participation and involvement, easiest scheduling on the market for mobile devices, and simple to join via Calendar, Siri, Face ID, and Touch ID. Webex Teams is packed with additional features. Now everyone can participate in whiteboarding across a portfolio of cloud-connected devices. Whiteboarding and annotation capabilities are now supported on the DX series. Room series devices can then interact with that content through the app on mobile or desktop devices. SX, MX series, and the recently introduced Video Endpoints users can view the whiteboard and participate with it in the app. We cover much more about Cisco devices in the next section of this module. Automatically pair and share from personal devices to unlock a more personal, interactive, and effective experience with Cisco Webex devices. Cisco Webex is compatible with virtually any screen for better productivity in the office. Start and control meetings, share screens, open files, collaborate on and save whiteboard drawings, take calls with you, and more. No more wires or cables, complicated AV setup, lengthy steps to capture content, or IT support needed to start meetings. Developers can make the industry-leading collaboration capabilities of Cisco Webex available within other applications. Users can keep up to date with the work happening in other applications. Rich audio and video capabilities can be integrated into other tools. With Webex Teams, messages, files, and whiteboard drawings are encrypted from one device to another and everywhere in between. For added security, your customers also have the option to manage their own encryption keys on premises. Although data is encrypted, searching and indexing capabilities are not compromised. Users can easily and safely search for information they need. Compliance managers can ensure that their data loss prevention and cloud access security broker policies are applied to user-generated content through integration with Cisco Cloud Lock or many third-party applications. Policies are in force all the time, even when employees are collaborating with others outside the company. From Webex Control Hub, administrators can access activity, resource utilization, and other metrics that can affect the quality of calls and meetings. Use Control Hub to easily manage users and assign meeting and calling services, and quickly configure new Cisco devices, driving adoption and faster return on investment. Next, let's check your knowledge on something we have covered in this module. Webex Teams brings together in one place people and content, people, teams, meetings, and access to multiple tools. People, teams, meetings, calendar, messages, content, and access to multiple tools. What is the best answer? The correct answer is C. People, teams, meetings, calendar, messages, content, and access to multiple tools. In this section, we covered the features and benefits of using Webex Teams, the value of persistent team spaces, additional features included in the service, and how Webex Teams is managed and kept secure. Thanks for watching.